I'm Dhriti from Excel Public School, Mysuru. I study in grade 9. And this is a bubble lamp experiment which shows an acid-base reaction in liquids of different densities. So I have vinegar in different colors.
Okay.
And here I have baking soda in the bottom and different liquids on top like oil, water, salt solution, sanitizer.
And what is this?
This is oil and water.
Okay.
So when I pour the
And
vinegar
this
in, water.
Okay.
When I pour the vinegar in, carbon dioxide bubbles are formed, which rise up to the top, and the size of the bubbles depends on the density of the liquid. So lower the density, bigger the bubbles, and the longer they stay there. So in water, once the carbon dioxide bubbles are formed, they just immediately disappear. But in oil, you can see that the bubbles they
Still stay there.
they stay on top. So basically, lower the density, more the bubbles.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.